Tariki 10 mweri uyu wa kana niguo igoti nene kuhitukira mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi riarekereirie itua ria ati kamiti iria yombitwo ni president igitongorio ni uria wari mucirithania munene David Maraga ya kurora na kwendekithia uria mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa borithi ikugacirithio yari mugaru na watho, na oho igoti rikiuga gutire mendekithia yendekithirie mabatie gukinyanirio. Nona thengia wa itua riri ria igoti akiaria umuthi thutha wa giikaro na kamiti ya gukinyaniria mendekithia makonainie na ruhonge rwa borithi, jera na NYS, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Ndagitari Raymond Omolo uria nowe muikariri giti wa kamiti ino augite mwaka umwe thutha wa kamiti ino ya Maraga kuheana mendekithia mayo gicunji kia 50 ni makinyanirio na gicunji kia 30 kiri mutaratara-ini wa gukinyaniria.
About 50% of those recommendations have been implemented. Another 20 to 30% we are in the process of rolling them out, and the balance of that are issues that we are seeking for further policy guidance and direction. So broadly speaking, I want to give the communication as the chair of the National Steering Committee to the country that we are on track with the implementation of these reforms.
Omolo augite mendekithia 571 nimo maheanitwo makihutia ruhonge rwa borithi, jera na NYS, no mendekithia 271 mahutagia ruhonge rwa borithi ruika na mendekithia 16 nimo mekireirwo nganja. Riu akiuga ni meguthii igoti-ini.
What we have agreed on is that we respect the decision of the court, and more so insofar as those 16 recommendations are concerned, and we will be pursuing redress through the court process to address those 16 recommendations. And what it means that out of the 571 recommendations, the rest of the other recommendations we will continue with their implementation, because there was nothing to do with the Kenya prisons and so as the National Youth Service.
Omolo augite mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa a honge ici ithatu ni guthii na mbere na kugacirithio na makereka, akiuga na woyani wa makurutu honge-ini ici ithatu urikoragwo na waragania.
Matters to do with welfare, matters to do with the remuneration. We had agreed to do it over 3 phases. The first phase is currently being implemented in the current financial year. Phase 2 will be implemented in the next financial year, and then phase 3 will come in the third financial year.
Age aria megwikinyitie giikaro-ini giki ni hamwe na munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja, munene wa ruhonge rwa jera Patrick Aradu na munene wa NYS James Tebur. Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.